Chandana. I'm a third year product design student.
Hi, I'm Aaron. I take care of sales for Dispatch Track.
Hi, I'm Zishan, currently working as a visual designer.
Myself Sneha and I'm a product designer.
Hi, I am Akshay Singh. I have completed my bootcamp UI UX from Bangalore.
Good afternoon everyone, it's Abdullah. I'm a student of computer science engineering.
Hi, I'm Harsha. I'm a software engineer by profession.
Not just workshop in the sense like training program for 2 days or 3 days, something like that.
I got to know about thinking with hands from my dad, who is in the WhatsApp group. It was actually a last minute decision to join this workshop, but I'm glad I did it. It's been a lot of fun.
Today's a Sunday morning. I'm really happy that I did this particular workshop because it helped me realize that I'm not being very creative recently.
Didn't expect anything in particular, but this was a fun event, good time spent and very motivating.
I just thought that event might be something like kind of a workshop where I'll just sit there and 3 or 4 experts will come and talk about what's going on with the UI UX, and also I never expected about the interactions, but these interactions has really made my day, and I really enjoyed attending this workshop.
I guess they call it non-linear because we are not thinking linear way, we're thinking in a non-linear way. If this is a pen, then think it something different, what comes to your mind, so that you can associate with something else and combine it and make something different.
Having no expectations from the event, like just want to collaborate and just want to meet new people and learn something new. Activities were very nice and just made me think out of the box. It was a fun event, to be honest, and I really loved it.
Can you force somebody to be innovative? Can you request somebody to be innovative? Can you do anything in your capacity to make more out of that person's brain and makes it earlier?
I hope to do some more workshops with them going ahead. Cheers.